Good morning.
मॉर्निंग बोलो।
Good morning, everyone.
शीनू मैम को गुड मॉर्निंग। गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Good morning. Good morning,
गुड
Tanvi.
मॉर्निंग। किसको? मम्मा को? अमन को।
So, everyone.
Today Navya is going to teach us now, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Teach us. Teach ma'am. Are you going to? You're supposed to teach ma'am. No. Ma'am told yesterday.
You said that yes.
You said yes. No.
Arey, you forget you told us na कि you can teach anything.
No.
Why, Navya? We want you to teach this class.
Alphabets आते हैं?
Month.
मुझे नहीं टीच करना। मुझे नहीं टीच करना है। No. ठीक है। Everyone got it.
Okay.
बस ठीक है।
Let's start today's class.
Yes. Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am. Give a thumbs up to ma'am if you are ready. Good morning, Karan.
Good morning. Wait, let me unmute you, then you can speak. Yes, Karan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning. Sarah, good morning.
मैम देखो।
New watch?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's start, Shinu ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what's new today?
Everyone, what we are going to do in this class? Okay, chalo. We are telling now, okay? In our previous class of conversation, मैम ने आपको बताया था ना कि how we talk on phone, right? आपको याद है?
Phone call, yes.
है ना? And before that, गीतांजलि मैम told you कि हम कैसे बात करते हैं when we are talking face to face. जैसे मैम आपसे स्कूल में talk करती है ना? Like what's your name? When you tell about yourself, है ना? So today we are going to do something new. कि okay, how many of you go to market for shopping with your mama?
Who loves shopping?
Everyone loves shopping. Okay.
Yes.
Shopping
Rehan, you don't love
toys,
shopping?
chocolates.
Arnav, Sarah.
Arnav, you don't like shopping? Ma'am, I am not getting thumbs up of Arnav only. Else everyone is doing.
Everyone give.
That means Arnav को shopping करना अच्छा नहीं लगता, right? Okay, fine. So today we will start conversation कि जब हम market जाते हैं, हम shopkeeper से कैसे बात करते हैं? How we ask
कैसे
for
बात
the
करते हैं?
material. हाँ, जो भी आपको purchase करना हो. Okay. So do you want to see the video of that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mantej, Karan. Chalo, everyone. Everyone, are you all able to see the screen?
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
there is a lady who has went to the shop of buying the dress.
Clothes.
Okay.
Stop.
Talk to the shopkeeper of ready-made garments for a dress. What do you want? I want a nice, colourful dress. What size and what colour? Size 30. White top and navy blue skirt. Here it is. It is well stitched and beautiful. It's for a dress. Shopkeeper of ready-made garments for a dress. What do you want? I want a nice, colourful dress. What size and what colour? Size 30. White top and navy blue skirt. Here it is. It is well stitched and beautiful. Yes, it is. How much is it? It's for $20. Talk to
Okay, everyone. So first thing, what the shopkeeper asked?
What did I ask? Who is going to tell? You have seen the video now. The lady went to the shop to purchase a dress. So what did the shopkeeper ask? Yes, Karan.
शॉपकीपर ने क्या पूछा था लेडी से? जोर से बोलो.
Yeah, loudly. Very good.
लेडी ने
Very good, Karan. Then
And what did the lady said? क्या चाहिए था उसे? What she wants? Raise your hand or thumbs up quickly.
Maybe आप बताओ.
ऑडियो हो रही है.
okay, Hinal, tell.
Yes, Hinal.
वो लेडी ने क्या पूछा? लेडी ने क्या बोला था? What she wants? अभी तो बोल रहे थे बेटा. हाँ, she wants.
What she wants?
Blue color लहंगा चोली.
Okay, fine, Gitanjali ma'am. Now you will act. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now Gitanjali ma'am will act as a customer, okay, and I will act as a shopkeeper. Fine. फिर आपको आइडिया हो जाएगा व्हाट यू हैव टू आस्क. फाइन. फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम हम क्या करेंगे, हम करण को शॉपकीपर बनाएंगे एंड नव्या को हम कस्टमर बनाएंगे. फाइन. चलो. Now Gitanjali ma'am comes to my shop for asking a beautiful dress. Okay. So let's start.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello ma'am. How can I help you? Karan, carefully आपको ऐसे ही करना है फिर. Hello ma'am, how can I help you?
I want a beautiful dress.
Okay, you want a beautiful dress. So,
yes,
here it is. This is a very pretty dress for you. And its color is also very nice.
But can you show me a different color?
Yes, ma'am. Sure. Here is the blue color.
Yes, and this is beautiful.
Yes.
What is its price?
Its price is just rupees 750.
Okay. Here is your money.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay. See, सिर्फ आपको इतने
so simple now.
Okay, ma'am, we can do one thing. Chalo, let's make customer to Navya.
Okay.
And shopkeeper. Karan, chalo, act as a shopkeeper. Okay, Karan. Navya आपकी शॉप पे आई है ड्रेस लेने और समथिंग एल्स. नव्या आप टॉय के लिए भी पूछ सकते
हो. You can want
anything.
किस चीज पे शॉपिंग करनी है?
ऐसे थोड़ा बोलते हैं, अच्छे से बोलते हैं.
हाँ.
Go, let her come to your shop first.
बेटा उधर देखिए.
Now guys.
चलो करण स्पीक. हेलो मैम.
मैम तो बोल रहे आप वैसे बोलो. जैसे मैम बोल रहे हैं वैसे बोलो.
Yes. अब आप बोलो can you show me a beautiful colorful?
How can I help you?
He is mute.
दोबारा बोलो. हेलो मैम. दोबारा बोलो.
Hello ma'am.
How can I
How can I help you?
Okay, Navya. Now you say.
Now you speak.
What do you want? What do you want, Navya?
Can you show me a color? What do you want? बताओ. Can you show me a color? A colorful dress.
Okay, yes, sure.
Shopkeeper को बुला रहा हूँ.
It's not well.
Navya, what you asked for? आपने क्या पूछा करण से?
Colorful dress. She wants a colorful dress.
क्या? Ma'am, he is not feeling well.
Well, yes.
Okay, चलो. Then who is going to be the shopkeeper?
कोई और बनेगा. करण को कफ हो रही है.
Mantej.
Mantej will be a shopkeeper. Then you have to ask the name. ठीक है?
Mantej.
Can you
Mantej?
डिफरेंट कलर तो बाद में देखेंगे ना. तो पहले हमें वो एक ड्रेस दिखाएंगे. कहेंगे ना.
Mantej.
ठीक है?
Mantej, are you there?
I'm not able to unmute.
I'm not able to unmute him.
I don't know what happened.
Ma'am, you please try. Mantej, ask Mama to unmute yourself. So till then, Heenal and Navya can do the role play.
अभी हिना शॉपकीपर है.
Mantej, you ask Mama to unmute you.
Yes.
हिना बनो शॉपकीपर.
कैसे बनूं?
नव्या आपकी शॉप पर आ रही है और आप शॉपकीपर हो. अब आपको उसको
आप
लीड करना
शॉपकीपर बन जाओ फास्ट.
आप शॉपकीपर हो. बोलो हेलो
I'm just
मैम.
telling you what you have to say.
बोलो हेलो मैम.
हेलो मैम.
हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू?
ओके मैम.
Heenal, speak loudly.
बोलो हाउ
How?
हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू?
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Now, Navya, you say what do you want?
No.
Can you
show me a colorful dress?
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
प्लीज साइज प्लीज. बोलो
Please, size.
Please size, please.
please अपनी size.
No नहीं.
So you say small.
Small.
Small size. Okay. Okay, here you go.
Hello Navya. Now let's start. Hello ma'am, how can I help you?
ठीक है. अभी चलो मैम से बोलो. Can you
show me a colorful dress?
Yes ma'am, sure. Here is your dress. Can you tell me your this favorite color? Of which color you want to buy the dress? That's
color? Purple. So say I want a purple color.
I want a purple color.
okay. Here you go. This is the purple color dress. So this is the sample for you. Can you tell me the size? Small, medium, or small?
Say small.
Okay. Okay. Here you go. So now Navya, ask for the price also.
Say नहीं. Ma'am is asking you what. आपको बोलो what is the price?
What is the price?
The price is just rupees 500.
You will not bargain. Okay. Now you say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Now Arnav Tiwari.
Kukulu kulu.
Arnav,
Kukulu kukulu.
Arnav,
will you act as shopkeeper? Sit properly.
आप शॉपकीपर बन सकते हो पहले सीधे होकर रखो.
Yes.
Okay, अब आपकी शॉप पे कौन आएगी? सारा?
good.
आपकी शॉप पे कौन आएगी? नहीं मैं नहीं आऊंगी. उसमें से बताओ कौन सा बच्चा आएगा. जो इतने सारे बच्चों की फोटो और आपकी क्लास में इतने बच्चे हैं, कौन सा बच्चा आएगा आपकी शॉप पे? कौन? मंतेज. नाम बताओ.
Arnav.
बोलो जल्दी बोलो. जल्दी बोलो ना कौन आएगा आपकी शॉप पे?
Montage.
मंतेज.
मंतेज आएगा आपकी शॉप पे? Okay.
मैं लेट रही हूँ.
But we are not able to unmute Mantej. It's done. Yes, now.
चलो मंतेज and अर्नव. मंतेज कस्टमर है और अर्नव शॉपकीपर. अर्नव पहले सिट प्रॉपर्ली. ऐसे अर्नव पहले पूछो ना उससे.
Say hello, sir.
बोलो हेलो सर. बोलो हेलो सर. मंतेज को बोलो हेलो सर. जोर से बोलो. देखो सारे बच्चे तो अभी कर रहे थे, नाटक कर रहे हो.
No, very bad.
करना है दमना.
शॉपकीपर बनना है.
नहीं बनना. मंटे करना है.
क्या बनना है आपको? कस्टमर बनना है?
कस्टमर बनना है.
हाँ.
ठीक है तो सीधे होकर पहले बैठो. सीधे बैठो.
चलो ठीक है. Mantesh, you will be a shopkeeper. Okay.
ओए.
Now Mantesh, you asked to Arnav. Hello sir. Mantesh. Mantesh.
अच्छा देखो, जब आपसे कोई पूछे
Mantesh.
हेलो सर व्हाट डू यू वांट, आप क्या कहोगे? आई वांट। क्या चाहिए आपको?
मंतेज,
मंतेज, आपको मैम की वॉइस आ रही है?
अगर वो मत छेड़ो, नहीं छेड़ो, गलती बात। कोई बच्चा भाग रहा है कैसे? पंखुड़ी तरह। मैं मैम को बोलूं कि पंखुड़ी से प्रॉपर्ली कम जाओ सिर्फ प्रॉपर्ली। मैं बोलूं मनदीप सर को कॉल करने के लिए, जल्दी बैठो सीधे।
कॉल कर रही हूँ।
हाँ तो कर देंगी। चलो कोई और बच्चे को कस्टमर बना लो।
चलो सारा इज योर कस्टमर नाउ, जल्दी से पूछो। हेलो मैम, हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू? फास्ट।
आप शॉपकीपर बोलो हेलो मैम। शॉपकीपर क्यों नहीं बनना?
नहीं।
क्या बनना है
आपको? फिर
he wants to become a customer.
क्या कस्टमर बनना है?
Become a customer.
अच्छा, he wants to become customer. So shopkeeper कौन?
So Sara, you become a shopkeeper now. Okay.
Okay.
Sara.
Okay ma'am.
Yes. To us now. Hello sir.
Now I'm not on mute. Arnav.
How can I help you?
चलो अर्नव से
Okay.
cute. He's not
Yes.
there.
Now you say what do you want? Now.
Arnav, now we will not
Has gone.
and speak.
कोई बच्चे नाच रहे हैं क्या यार?
अर्नव
खिला दूंगी इसको।
व्हाइट बोर्ड पे भी नहीं राइट करने देंगे आप, और ना ही कुछ स्पीक करने। अर्नव, now give the answer. आपको क्या चाहिए?
बोलो आई वांट। तेज से बोलो उधर आगे जाके।
I want.
What do you want?
क्या चाहिए?
अरे आई वांट बोलो, क्या चाहिए आपको?
I want क्या चाहिए?
हाँ?
बोलो आई वांट चॉकलेट।
I want chocolate.
You want chocolate?
Okay.
अर्नव, आप किसी शॉप पर जाते हो तो वहां जाते लेट जाते हो ऐसे शॉप पर? हाँ? Sit properly.
जब शॉप पे लेटते हो शॉप पे बैठो।
Ask properly कि I want a chocolate.
I want chocolate.
Do you have chocolates?
You have chocolate.
If
Sara, now you ask which one.
Chocolate.
Sara said, yes, I have. Which one you want?
Yes, I have. Yes, I have. This one you
I have.
want.
Chocolate do you want?
You want. You want.
Yes, sir. Now tell me, which chocolate do you want?
Let's ask. Okay. Navya?
Yes, ma'am.
Navya and Sara. Navya, can you act as the shopkeeper and Sara will be your customer? Okay, speak now. After this, we will wind the session.
Now, hello ma'am, how can I help you? So, I want to dress.
We ask what
You want
dress.
Okay. I want a dress. Can you show me? Red color. Which is your favorite color? My color blue.
Okay.
Blue. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Say okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So, can you please tell me your size? Can you please tell me your size? Small size. Says now say here you can मैंने तो अभी बनाया ही नहीं small size आपको बनाना नहीं है आप ऐसे पीछे से निकाल करके दिखाओगी ना बनाना थोड़ी ना है so say this is your dress this is nice
Oh, this is beautiful.
and this is beautiful
Ask for the
this is beautiful.
Okay, now ask for the
Now, Sarah,
price.
ask what is the price?
What is the price? The price? बताओ 100 नहीं 1000 या 500 say 500 rupees only 500 rupees only वही तो कहा
Okay, now Sarah, give her the money.
okay
Here is your money.
इधर देखो ना here is I want to buy this okay ma'am
Now say thank you.
say thank you उधर देख के बोलो आप ही बोलो thank you say let me pack for this this for you let me pack this for you
Now say thank you.
yes thank you
Okay. Now we say do come
Very
again.
good, both of you.
so say please visit us again visit us again I don't go too much yes sure
Sure. Very good, both of you. Very nice.
So let's wind the session. Now we'll meet after next 10 minutes.
10
Okay.
minutes. Okay.
Good morning once again, everyone. Okay, Ekam is going to join.
good morning ma'am
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. So this is our
Let's ask from them. I would suppose that today Navya is going to take the English class. Neenal.
yes, Navya.
Navya, can you take this class of English? Me and Gitanjali ma'am are very tired. We want you to take the class.
आप ऐसे कर दो ना जैसे आप पापा को पढ़ाते हो ना चार्ट से A for apple B for ball so say yes ma'am
So can you teach Navya?
yes ma'am
Very simple. Okay, Navya, then sit smartly. Now Gitanjali ma'am and me will not speak. We will be your students now.
baby
Let's see how Navya teaches. Where is our teacher? She's not here. Good morning.
I can't see my teacher.
मैं
Navya ma'am, good morning. Where are you?
Everyone wish good morning to Navya ma'am.
go जल्दी से जाओ से
Ma'am, break. Ma'am, I am not able to hear Navya properly. Just go nearby her.
मैं आपके लिए होल्ड करती हूँ, आप यहाँ पे पास रखिए, ठीक है?
Okay.
Now say.
Now Navya speak.
B for balloon.
Ma'am, I am not able to see your pretty face. Cute face.
There is.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Now you can continue.
Ma'am, you're not audible.
Loudly, more loudly. Navya, loudly, more loudly.
मैम को
Yes. Now it's perfect.
नाम से अभी से
Navya, now it's perfect. Now I can see you. Now I can hear you. Okay.
E for dog. E for
Very
elephant.
good.
F for G for goat. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jam. K for kite. L for lamb.
L for
lamb.
अच्छा lamb
N for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for
queen bee कोई नहीं आप बोलो Q for queen
Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for buzzard. W for walrus. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra.
उधर लेके बोलो ना Z for zebra what are you hiding
Very nice, Navya. Very nice. Everyone give a digital clap to Navya.
Very good.
Good, Navya.
Very nice.
So who is going to teach us phonics now? Navya has teachers A to Z. Now who is going to teach phonics?
Divita will.
Phonics.
Yes, Divita.
I'll get a book for you. First,
We did till letter L now. Yes.
Yes. So Divita is our new teacher for phonics.
Good morning, Devita ma'am.
Divita, we are your students. We will call you ma'am.
Ma'am, what you are going to teach us now?
Yes, ma'am. Your hair is very pretty. Divita ma'am.
मम्मा क्या बोलूंगा?
Okay.
अच्छा आपको क्या टीच करना है?
Ma'am, you have to teach the phonics.
Apple.
Yes.
B ball. Cat.
Yes.
B the dog.
Yes.
E frog. G for
G. कौन है बताओ?
G is for
G. G. G.
G is for goat. H is for her happy. I press
Iron.
iron.
Jug.
Jug. Kite. Lamb.
Okay, very
Mommy. Nest.
Okay.
O नहीं. O.
People, parrot. Quill. Rose. Sun. Tap. Your
No, U for umbrella. You can say.
umbrella. We were back. W. Water. X. Xylophone. Y.
इधर देखो Why?
Y.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yacht.
Okay.
Z is for the zero.
Zero. Very good, Devita. Very nice. For a moment, we were feeling like we are students only.
Very nice, Devita.
Yes, ma'am, you teached very nice.
Good, Devita.
Taught very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so next, what we are going to do now?
So, Abhi, let's decide tomorrow, or like on Monday, who is going to teach us?
Yes, let's give them chance one by one.
Okay, Sarah has raised her hand. Okay, Sarah and
Karan also.
okay, Sarah and Karan on Monday. Okay, be ready.
Yes.
Now let's start our class.
Yes, ma'am.
This is our English class. Everyone is having notebook with you.
Yes. Everyone, if you don't
everyone knows. Yeah.
Speak loudly.
Yes, Shirma, you were saying something.
No, I was not able to hear.
You were saying ki, if you are not having notebook with you, go and bring it.
If you are not having notebook, so you can bring.
Okay. Everyone knows how to write lowercase a to k? right?
Ma'am.
And you know the pictures. You know the pictures which start from the letters A to K, and even you know the sounds of letter A to K, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Sarah, you want to say something?
मैम यस मैम मैम मैं ना मंडे को नहीं कर पाऊंगी आज ही करो
Oh.
मंडे क्यों नहीं?
मैम मंडे को मेरे घर में पूजा है
Okay, then on Tuesday. Done? Done.
Okay.
See, now I'm showing you a worksheet. Here are some pictures. What you have to do? What you have to do? You have to see the pictures and you have to write the initial sound. Okay? In your notebook. Are you able to see the screen?
Ma'am, I'm not able to see.
Now I'm able to see the screen.
It is showing that you have started screen sharing. Every one of you, are you all able to see the screen? No, it has started still screen sharing. Ma'am, you can try once more.
Now is it visible?
Gitanjali ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you can start again the screen sharing.
I started again only.
Okay, it is still showing that screen sharing only, no?
Ma'am, wait, I'll connect again.
Okay, ma'am.
Now is it visible?
Okay, everyone.
Worksheet 78. Matching pictures with letters. Match the picture with its first letter.
Are you all able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see the first picture. First picture. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
So what you have to do, you have to identify the first picture and you have to write the correct letter. What will be the correct letter for the picture? Who is going to give the answer? Yes, Divita.
Ma'am, is it visible now?
I'm not able to see the screen, ma'am.
Like network issues, ma'am.
Yes.
Might be some network issues there. You were showing some video, na, ma'am?
Okay, who is going to give the answer? The first picture. This one. Okay, Karan raised his hand first. So, yes, Karan. हाँ?
क्या है मैम अभी एलिफेंट जोर से बोलो
So that means elephant.
Match elephant with which letter?
Yeah.
किससे मैच करोगे बताओ चलो मैच करो किससे मैच करोगे ई कहाँ लिखा है हाँ मैम इरेज कर दो आप करो आराम से मैच करो
Elephant. T8.
ये क्या हो गया
Matching pictures with letters.
Everyone, you have to write the answer in your notebook. No one will do the screen annotation, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So you know now you have to match elephant with E. So write E in your notebook.
Yes. You have to write E in your notebook. Small E. Everyone written? Just show. Navya, Karan, very good. Okay, very nice. Navya is Hinal. Where is your notebook?
Hinal has done. Good, Hinal.
Look this picture and do the word carefully.
What happened, ma'am?
Okay, done.
Matching
Now see the second picture.
letters. The picture with it.
Second picture, this one, after elephant. What do we call this? Yes, Mantej?
Okay.
Yes?
Sifar cake.
I'm not able to.
Sifar cake. Sifar cake.
He's saying C for cake.
No.
Sifar cake.
See it carefully.
Can you zoom it, ma'am?
It is not cake.
Look it carefully.
Ma'am, it is cake.
Ma'am, it is drum. See, उसकी sticks भी है drum के ऊपर. Mantaj, look, drum है, drum के ऊपर sticks है बेटू. Can you see?
Not visible now clearly, so that's why.
That's why I asked ma'am to. Can you zoom it? Ma'am, please full screen.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Now are you all able?
It is drum.
Drum.
So this is D for
Yes,
drum.
drum.
D for drum.
Okay, Karan has
Drum.
written, Navya has written,
Yo.
and
Pencil किथे? मुझे मैं तो दंद यार.
let's see. Hinal has also written.
Ryan, are you not writing?
Devita, have you written? Evelyn?
Arnav has done. Very good, Arnav.
Okay, now see the next picture. After drum.
Drum. Can anybody tell which picture is this?
Just raise your hands. Okay, Arnav Tiwari. Yes, Arnav.
Yes, Arnav.
Pig.
Very good. So, which letter you are going to write? Navya has done everything. She has written. हाँ बच्चा?
Van.
No, नहीं next वाला बताना था आपको. क्या अर्नव?
बस खाली वही बताना था.
How are you gonna write pig? With which letter?
अर्नव, पिग कौन से लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है?
Very nice, Navya. Very good.
पिग कौन से स्टार्ट होता है?
P.
Yes,
Yes.
then write
So
it
write
fast.
P.
चलो
See, ma'am has not told you how to write capital, lowercase p now, so you can write uppercase.
Very good, Karan. Devita, Agamdeep. Ustad has written. Hinal.
quickly do the next picture also.
Okay, Arnav has written. Good, Arnav. Hinal, you also show. Ryan. Okay, now see the next picture. After big, downside. This one. Just raise your hands to give the answer. Okay. Yes, Hinal.
बोलो. Speak louder. Speak louder. Speak louder.
Yes. Good.
Very good. Good, Sarah. This good, Karan. Navya written. Agamdeep.
Where has written all the letters, ma'am?
Okay. Devita.
लिखो इसका लेटर लिखो. लेटर लिखो बेटा. क्या आएगा? राइट करो जल्दी से. जल्दी राइट करो नीचे. नाम से.
Good, Hinal.
ये अभी टू रहते हैं बेटा.
Okay, now see the next picture after when.
Which picture is this? Yes, Ryan, can you tell? Look next to the van. Which picture is this?
Van.
Van के बाद देखो बेटा कौन सी पिक्चर है ये? Blue picture with the pink cap.
बॉटल दिख रही है.
हाँ, बॉटल दिख रही है. कौन सी बॉटल है? किसकी बॉटल है? Can you guess it?
Agamdeep.
ये इसकी बॉटल.
He was giving the answer.
Okay. हाँ, yes.
Yes, Agam.
Yes, Agampreet, tell. Which bottle is this?
Ink.
और किससे स्टार्ट होता है इंक? अगम कौन से लेटर?
Very good.
Okay. Now see the last picture.
Who is going to tell me the next picture? Last picture. Yes, Sarah. Yes, Sarah. Loudly.
Yes.
Very good, Sarah. Okay, we heard it. Very good. So what we did?
Everyone
Look at the picture and write the first letter. Yes. Now everyone show me your notebook.
Yes. Show your
You
notebook.
have written all the letters or not? Navya has done. I've already seen.
Devita,
Sarah,
Navya,
notebook.
Akib,
Is your notebook, Sarah?
and
Heenal
Yes,
has
Ryan.
done. Very nice, Heenal. Good, Sarah. Arnav, notebook. Ustad, good.
Chalo, almost everyone has written now.
Has done. Yeah. Very good.
So now let's wind up the class, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, in our next
We
class.
meet after 20 minutes
Hmm.
with an interesting fact.
Okay. And be ready with your interesting facts, okay? We are going to ask one by one.
Yes, today we have to ask. Yes.
Yes, chalo.
Good morning, बोलो काम. Good
Good morning.
We start. We start.
So everyone, let's start now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, before starting our maths class, we want to hear one interesting fact from every student. जितने भी अभी तक we told you the interesting fact, one by one we want to ask from every student. So, will you tell the interesting fact? तभी तो मैम आज न्यू वाला बताएंगी आपको.
Sarah, Hinal, Ustad, come back. अच्छा,
on your videos, everyone. Chalo, let's start with Navya. Tell them.
पहले मैम को इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट बताइए कुछ.
Yes. I just heard elephant. What else? Elephant?
बोलो बेटा.
Elephant is not only animal could not jump.
Yes, very good.
Okay.
Next, Sarah.
Yes, Sarah.
Now you tell the another
interesting fact.
Strawberry.
Hmm. Okay. Yes.
Good, Sarah.
Strawberry is the only fruit which has seeds outside. Good, Sarah.
Next, Karan. Now Karan is going to tell. Yes, Karan.
दसो मैम नो कोई इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट दसो जो मैम ने इन्ने सारे दसे. आई और जे की डॉट को क्या बोलते हैं? Very good.
Very good.
So that's good, Karan. Next, Devita. Tell the new interesting.
Rhinoceros milk is pink.
Huh?
Rhinoceros milk is pink.
Oh.
Hippopotamus milk is pink.
Yes. Good, Devita.
Yes.
Okay. Hinal. Tell the interesting fact.
बताओ मैम को.
कोई सा भी learn हो आपको.
Crowd.
Yes.
Skin से पानी पीते हैं.
Yes. Yeah. Frog drink water from his skin. Good.
Yes. Now, Arnav, tell the interesting fact. कोई सा भी learn हो आपको?
नहीं, कोई सा भी बता दो. कैंगरू क्या नहीं करता?
मैम पीछे जंप नहीं कर सकता.
कौन? Okay, I thought you are saying Arnav cannot jump backward.
और वो बता दो.
स्ट्रॉबेरी के सीड बाहर होते हैं.
अच्छा, listen Arnav. We thought कि आप कह रहे हो कि Arnav cannot jump backward.
अर्नब कर सकता है? नहीं. और कौन नहीं कर सकता बैकवर्ड? नहीं.
कैंगरू.
Okay, good. Next, Akib, you tell the interesting fact. कोई सा भी जो learn हो आपको. Fast.
Yes, Akib.
नहीं आता आकिब? कोई सा भी, मैम ने तो इतने सारे बताए हैं आपको इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट. नो,
कोई भी आती है?
Owl. अपनी eyes no move नहीं करते.
Okay.
Eyeballs.
Yeah.
Yes. Owl can move their eyeballs. Good.
Next, Mantej. After that, Ryan will tell the interesting fact. Mantej, बताओ कोई सा भी interesting fact.
Alpha-man is 5 words.
हाँ?
What?
Alpha-man is 5 words.
Isa, ऐसा करके दसो.
Alpha-man is 5 words.
Okay. Frame has 5 hearts.
Yes, ma'am. Art form has 5 words.
Okay.
Okay, art form has 5 hearts. Okay, fine.
Good. So next we have Ryan.
Yes, Ryan.
Ryan, कोई सा भी बताओ interesting fact. Ryan, I'm not able. Okay.
He is unmuted. Ryan.
Speak to ma'am. What, ma'am?
Ryan, can you tell the interesting fact? कोई सा भी आपको जो learn हो. मैम ने तो आपको
You have
बहुत
to tell. We have told you so many interesting facts ना. कोई भी जो आपको याद हो. Anyone
interesting fact.
Interesting fact जो मैम ने पढ़ाया था.
Speak loudly.
अच्छा, do you remember? मैम ने आपको elbow के लिए कुछ बताया था. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
तो बताओ.
क्या बताया था मैम ने?
Okay, Agam is also there. Good morning, Agam.
Ma'am, you please explain again. Ryan, listen to ma'am carefully. Thumbs up का क्या होगा?
चलो, we'll tell now. Yes, Agam. Meanwhile, you tell the one interesting fact. कोई सा भी learn हो आपको?
Any interesting
fact. Fast.
मैम पूछ रही है ना. टेंट हाउस नहीं चाहिए फिर आपको. मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ.
Agam, see fast. Everyone will clap for you. जल्दी से बताओ.
clap तब करेंगे फिर आपके लिए जल्दी.
Loudly.
बोलो loudly. Elephant is the only animal. Loudly. Elephant is the only animal.
Okay, Agam, मैम ने आपको एक बताया था इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट एल्बो वाला.
हमने बिठाया था ना,
क्या था वो?
एल्बो वाला याद है? एल्बो वाला बताओ। एल्बो, टीथ वाला याद है? डू यू रिमेम्बर अबाउट टीथ वाला इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट? एल्बो याद है आपको? मैम अपनी एल्बो लिख कर सकते हो?
Not giving the answer. चलो fine. गीतांजलि मैम,
who remembered that elbow wala? Today's interesting fact, ma'am.
No, the previous this two. It is impossible to lick our own elbow.
Lick our own elbow. Yes.
Yes. And one was.
And Karan, do you remember the teeth wala?
Yeah, he knows.
टीथ वाला कौन सा था इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट?
हाँ.
Horse yes, very good.
Good, Karan.
Okay, and about ostrich. Who remembered about the ostrich?
Hinal,
do you remember?
House भी आई थी ना ostrich.
बोलो, ostrich क्या होता है? Hinal, speak louder.
Yes. Very good.
और क्या था? Ostrich की eyes.
And ma'am has told you about.
Ostrich की eyes उसके brain से भी होती है.
Good. And ma'am has told you about something about cow and horse. How they used to sleep. Do anybody remember?
I remembered.
Who knows about it?
No, Karan will not give the answer. Karan को तो पता है. Karan, Navya, Hinal, Devita, इनमें से कोई भी आंसर नहीं करेगा. We'll ask from the. Where is Ustad?
Her video is not visible, ma'am.
चलो, अमानत. आपको पता है interesting fact? She was not.
She has not joined the class. Yes, she was not there. Okay, Arnav, you tell.
अमानत, listen carefully, ठीक है? देखो, अर्नव आपको एक interesting fact बता रहा है.
Yes, बताओ. Interesting fact about cow and horse.
Cow and horse खड़े होके सोते हैं.
Cow and horse खड़े होकर सोते हैं.
मम्मा ने सब कुछ लर्न किया है ना अर्नव?
मम्मा क्लास ले रही है.
कह दो अब अगर मैं नहीं पढ़ूंगा तो आप मेरे को.
चलो, that means cow and horses sleep by standing up.
Yes. Navya, you want to say something?
और अच्छा सुनो, और कोई इंटरेस्टिंग.
Yes, Sarah, speak.
बताइए आपको कौन सा बोलना है?
Yes, Navya, you want.
Ostrich, biggest bird, and its egg is big.
Navya?
Yeah, very good, Navya.
What she said?
बेबी फिर से बोलो.
She said ostrich. Yes, repeat it. Shinu, ma'am.
Ostrich is the biggest bird and its egg is big. Biggest in the bird.
Okay, good, Navya. So, ma'am, let's start with the new interesting fact of today.
Okay. Okay, first tell me, for how many hours do you sleep? आप क्या full 24 hours सोते हो?
No.
Can you sleep for full day? Can you sleep for full day?
Everyone do like this. Say no, ma'am. Do like this. No. Do like this. No.
Might be they can sleep for the full day.
We can't sleep for full
sleep
day.
for the whole day.
No. See, they are doing like this.
Okay. Do you know?
No.
Do you know? Do you know snail?
Okay, I'm showing you the picture of snail. Okay.
Picture of snails. See.
See now. Are you all able to see?
And you know?
Okay.
And you know, snail can sleep for 3 years.
Okay. I can't sleep. I can't sleep even for 1 day even.
3 years. So many days. Navya doesn't like to sleep at all, ma'am. Why, Navya?
What do you do at night? You count the stars? That means she's always energetic, na? Don't want to sleep.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
जैसे ही स्लीप का टाइम आता है नव्या टॉकेटिव हो जाती है मेरी बैटरी कभी खत्म
So that means this is the picture of a snail. And snail 3 years के लिए sleep करता है, पता है आपको? 3 years. Gitanjali ma'am, are you there? Who is going to repeat the interesting fact? Ustad. Chalo, let's start with Ustad. Yes, Ustad?
3 years.
Snail sleep करता है.
Complete. पूरा sentence बताओ. A snail can sleep for 3 years.
Damn snails are sleeping.
Snail can sleep 3 years. बोलो.
Snail and every day sleep.
No, snail can sleep. बोलो.
Snail can sleep
3 years.
3 years.
Okay. Good, Ustad. Next, who is going to repeat? After this, we are going to start our maths class.
Other way.
What happened?
Nothing. So, everyone understood now the interesting fact of today?
Yes.
Okay, Hinal is
A
showing
snail
sleep.
can sleep.
Hinal, what you are having this?
इधर आके बात करो ऐसे नहीं
This is very pretty.
3 years
Yes.
Please give the snail to us. We want your this pretty snail.
मैम क्या क्या पेंडिंग है एक बनी और स्नेल क्या क्या देना आपको मैम को बनी एंड स्नेल
The day school will open ना हिनल सब टॉयज लेकर आएगी गीतांजलि मैम के लिए और मैम शीनू मैम के लिए ओके
ओके मैम
ओके we will also play with your toys chalo good now let's start our maths class.
Let's start the class.
Yes, yesterday we did that missing numbers between 1 to 20 na
20.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Just quickly give the thumbs up. Now today we are going to do the missing numbers between 21 to 40. Okay. Fine. So Gitanjali ma'am, do share the whiteboard.
Yes, ma'am.
And everyone, no one will write on the screen. Just have your maths notebook with you or any notebook for writing the answers.
Now white screen is visible, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Whiteboard is visible? Okay.
Let's see how many of
See,
them
I'm
are
writing
adding
some
to.
numbers. Bring it fast if you are not having a notebook. Bring.
Yes, we are waiting. Just bring your notebook. Then we'll start.
Let's start.
Yes, ma'am. Everyone, just see on the screen and then you will write the answer. See everyone, गीतांजलि मैम ने 21 राइट किया. Then वो भूल गई कि 21 के बाद क्या आता है. Then she directly write the number 23. फिर 23 के बाद मैम भूल गई कौन सा नंबर है. अब आपको मिसिंग नंबर्स बताने हैं कि 21 और 23 के बीच में कौन सा मिसिंग नंबर है एंड बिटवीन 23 एंड 25 के बीच में कौन सा मिसिंग नंबर है.
Manat, are you doing?
Hinal is doing. Riyan, are you writing?
Good, Navya.
Navya, very good. Let's see next who is going to write. Ustad written?
Okay, just finish it fast, then I'll give you another numbers.
Hinal done. Yes, Hinal? Yes, good. Very nice, Hinal. Okay.
Have you done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me give you another numbers.
Okay, now see the which two numbers are missing between 27 and 30. कौन सी two numbers missing है? Yes, Navya done. Good, Navya. Navya is done. Hinal also done. Yes, good, Hinal. Ustad show. Yes, very nice. Let's see who else has done. Sarah done. Sarah is writing. Akib, you show.
Who has done? For them, I'm giving you next numbers, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, now this is also very easy.
Yes.
Which two numbers are missing between 32 and 35?
Devita, what happened? You are looking tense.
Yeah, Divita is not writing.
Ma'am, she ran away. She
What
ran
happened?
away.
Divita, write it fast. We are waiting to see your answer. Jaldi se write it fast.
Ma'am, she has become very clever. She switched off her video and ran away.
Oh, wow, Divita. I was not expecting this.
Devita, you are a teacher now.
Yeah.
Today you taught us and you are doing like this.
I was not there, so she also switched off her video and ran away.
No, Divita.
She'll not do it again, right, Devita?
She's a good girl.
She got a scolding.
Chalo, fastly. Smile karo jaldi se. Fast, fast. Otherwise, Divita, please smile. See, ma'am भी sad हो जाएंगे फिर if you will not smile. Yes. Now write the answer fast. Jaldi se. Quick, bring your notebook and write the answer.
That has done.
Yes. That's like a good girl.
Okay, many of them has done. Sarah has done. Navya has done.
Yes, Sarah has also done. Good, Sarah.
Chalo. Let me give you.
That means Gitanjali ma'am, they know the counting now, Hana. Then only they are able to write. Yes, Karan, you also show. Where is your notebook, Karan? Advik, are you there?
This is the last one. Complete it first.
Yes, ma'am. This is also very easy. Trian raised his hand. Trian, have you written? Trian, show your notebook.
Good, everyone is writing. Amanat has done. Good, Amanat. Hinal has done. Very good, Hinal.
Okay.
Very nice, Hinal.
Yes. Good, Sarah. Good, Navya. Hinal, show. Okay, very nice, Hinal. Neat. Hinal?
Nikita is also done.
When snail is coming to your house, Hinal?
Yeah, she's done.
She's so happy now.
Yeah. Ustad has also done.
Yes, very nice, Ustad.
Farah, have you done?
Very good. Yes, ma'am, Sarah has also done.
Okay, good, Sarah.
Very good, Devita.
Amana, almost everyone has done, right?
Yes, but I'm not able to see Ryan's work and this Advik.
And Ryan, I'm not able to see even Ryan. Are you there, Ryan?
Okay, Karan is writing the answers directly.
Okay, good, Karan.
Ryan, have you written something? The show? Yes, Agampreet, you also show. Okay, good. So now that means everyone is done. Good. So everyone, let's wind the class.
Mom,
We want to see your happy face because at the time of
Akib has also done. Good, Akib.
Yes, ma'am. At the time of winding the class, they feel very happy and energetic. See to Karan, how smile is coming on his face. Heenal also.
So, ma'am, on Monday, who is going to teach us?
Monday, the class will be taken by Heenal and Ustad.
Sarah is not.
Sarah will be taking on Tuesday.
Fine. Tuesday. Okay.
Okay, so Ustad and Heenal, be ready for taking the class on Monday.
Be ready.
Okay. आप अपना टॉपिक कोई भी यू कैन चूज और आप पढ़ाओगे क्लास में.
Anything. You can teach anything.
कोई राइम, एनी स्टोरी, कुछ भी. Okay. See how happy. We also want to learn from you also, na? Okay, chalo, bye everyone.
And Devita, you taught us very well.
Yes, very nice. Devita and Navya, well done. See,
now
you are doing
meet on Monday.
Fast, too early.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Okay, bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
So
bye.
Let's all, na?
Bye.
Bye.
Take care, everyone.
Yes, take care.